Hi, in this section I will take you through multiple attractors' geometrical transformation code, and we will add transformation by rotation to it. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to transform your geometry using multiple attractors. We will use our previous single attractor code, and we are going to add to it. First, we are going to substitute our sphere with a cone, where its base plane is connected to the geometry in the move component, its radius connected to a slider, and its length multiplied by 2. The resulting cones are now hollow, so we'll add cap holes component to close the BREP, and then we connect it to geometry input in the uniform scale component. We will use distance component to measure distance between each of the 4 attractor points and our grid points. Then, we will find the minimum distances among them. The idea is to find the closest attractor to each grid point and eliminate the rest of attractor's impact in terms of movement, scaling, and rotation. We now connect our last minimum component result to the value to remap input in the movement and scaling components. Then, we will add bounce component to find the minimum and maximum values in order to use it as a source domain in our mapping numbers component in both movement and scaling components. And now we have our points moved according to our 4 multiple attractors. In the coming lecture, we are going to build on this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to add rotation to our code.